third Block 1 integrated coal mine power project pays a lot of importance to the corporate social responsibility and has been engaged extensively in the CSR projects at the local level aimed at changing the life of the local people by providing them health and education facilities, poverty alleviations, and providing direct job opportunities at all levels. The project has provided 18,000 direct employment opportunities up till yet, and cumulatively it has spent around 1.2 million US dollars in terms of tax payments, and has spent around 1.3 million US dollars on CSR projects.
通过植树改变塔尔地区的生态，提高森林绿化覆盖率。我们计划与相关的一些第三方的机构吧合作开展一些技能培训的项目。
Whenever we have any event, whenever we have Eid, whenever we have any festival, we, along with the Chinese management, we all make us some plan how to facilitate the local people. And then we just help in terms of money, in terms of goods. We ensure that we have to provide all the basic elements of life to them.
Many people got job like this. We are engineers. We graduated from China, and so many engineers graduated from Pakistan and have good opportunity to work here in Chinese with international engineers, good technical persons.
I must say the Chinese is here to just provide the electricity, and the second thing, they're just here to remove the poverty or the other degradation factor of the society.